Everyone, I'm Woody, and today me and Dad are going to be going into the forest to get some firewood, and there are big rains coming, so we want to get it while it's still dry. So my first job is to sharpen my chainsaw chain. So this is my chainsaw that I bought myself a couple of years ago, and I got it second hand. It was a really good price, super cheap, so it's a great chainsaw. I'm so happy with it. I'm just going to fill it up with oil and petrol, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so it's always good when you're using a petrol chainsaw to have good safety gear. So I've got chaps on, and I always wear a safety helmet and safety glasses. So it's pretty rare that anything actually happens, but it's good to take the extra precautions. So here we are, we've arrived. This is a planned burn spot for the government agencies. So me and Dad have been coming here for the last few years and just getting wood before they waste it all. So this is really good burning wood. It's yellow box, and it burns so hot in our fire, and we run several different appliances on it. Start it, you put it in first choke, and always put the brake on, down, pump it a few times. Then once that goes, then you put it up to second. Now it should start. So when you're cutting pieces of wood that are on the ground, it's because you don't want to hit the dirt with your chainsaw. So you cut 3/4 of the way through, then turn it over, and then nick the rest of it. So this bit we'll leave that behind, because see how the fungi's got into it? So that's really rotten. So that really won't burn well. A piece like this, see there's no fungi at all in there, and it's just, you can see the grain's really nice. So this will burn really well. So this is what we're targeting. Yeah, so I just finished cutting the load, and we've got the boot here, which is full of lovely wood. The great thing about collecting wood is you get warm twice.